Okay, we're going to do a little experiment here with water in different solutions to see what happens when you add 100 mils of water, 100 mils of water. You should get 200, but then we're going to check to see what happens when you add 100 mils of water with different solutions. So I'm going to start off here with the water solution. We're going to add a little bit of food coloring to it so that you can see it. I'm going to set up my secondary flask by putting a paper clip in here. This helps alleviate the vacuum and helps it flow in better when I add the solutions to it. So I'll add the first 100. Now we're going to add the second. And as expected, it should be at 200 milliliters. So now we're going to do the next solution, which is water and methanol, and we're going to see if we get the same. So with the water on the left side, we're going to add the drop of dye to it. And the methanol, we're going to leave alone. We're going to do the same thing that we did with the first one. I'm adding the methanol. And as you can see, this one is much lower than it should be. The volume is not 200 as you might expect. It's actually quite a bit lower. And this is due to the water molecules in pure water. They don't allow much room, but when you have an ethanol or methanol molecule, they actually can fit in between, which actually lowers the volume. And we're going to try this again with ethanol to see what happens. Set this up. And again, we'll add the dye to the water. We're going to add this to the larger flask. Now we'll add the ethanol to see what happens. And on this one, you can also see that it is quite a bit lower than it is with the pure water mixture. And so it shows that when you mix two different solutions, you can actually get a lower volume, which is not what you would expect if you had 50 or 100 milliliters of one solution and 100 milliliters of a second solution.